Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cat Fox Designs. In this video I'm going to be showing you on how to create these wire wrapped red, white, and blue earrings. For this project you're going to need some red, white, and blue wire, some memory wire, ear wires, and 4 jump rings. And the tools that you'll need are round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and some heavy duty wire cutters. The first step to create your earrings is to cut 1 loop of memory wire. Please note that I'm using heavy duty wire cutters. If you use anything else, it will damage your cutters. Also, you can see that I'm struggling a little bit to cut this wire because it is really heavy duty wire. So you're going to take that 1 loop of memory wire and you're going to cut it in half to make 1 pair of earrings. The next step is to bend each of the wire ends outward using your flat nose pliers. Now you're going to take your round nose pliers and make loops on both ends of the wire. Please note that it is very difficult to make loops using memory wire. So take your time at it, they're not going to be perfect loops, and that's okay. Now take a jump ring and bring both of the loops together using the jump ring and close the jump ring. Now that you have your earring hoops created, let's wrap some wire. So you're first going to take your red wire and wrap the end of it on one side of the earring hoop. And again, it's not necessary to be perfect with your wire wrapping. These earrings are meant to be a little bit forgiving with the wire wrapping, so just do your best, but it does not need to be perfect. You can have your wire wrapping start wherever you would like on your earring hoop. I decided to have it about halfway down, but you can feel free to wrap the entire hoop with the wire. And to finish off the red, you're going to cut the wire and then just wrap the end of the wire on one side of the earring hoop. So now you're going to repeat all of the last steps with the white and blue wires. Please note for the white wire, I'm actually using a larger gauge wire that's silver, and this was a lot easier to wrap because I just used my fingers to wrap it versus having to use the help of a flat nose plier. So yeah, so if you use a larger gauge wire, it is actually a lot easier to bend. To finish off the earrings, just use another jump ring to attach the jump ring and ear wire together and close it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to also leave a comment down below. I enjoy all of your guys' comments, and if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.